Hey guys, this is Jay. Finally, after 6 years and posting 320 plus videos, our channel reached the 10k subscribers milestone. First, I'd like to thank all my subscribers for supporting me. Second, to celebrate this milestone, I'm giving away this beautiful wedding album. Download link in the description. Download the file, extract the file, use it. Just in case, if you want to know how to edit the PSD files, means watch the remaining part of this video. First, download the file, as I said before, link in the description. Next, extract the file. You will find the PSD files like so. You can open any PSD file you want. I'm going to open this one. So this is how the template going to look. You will find a neatly arranged layers panel. So let's see how to edit the template. I'm going to add my image. For that, I'm going to click this image group. Select the image placeholder shape. Now go to your image folder, open your image inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our wedding album canvas like so. Make sure to place the image right above the image placeholder layer. Now right click and clip match the image. By doing so, our image will be visible only inside the image placeholder shape. Next step, it's time to resize the image. For that, enable free transform tool Ctrl T and resize the image. You can hold Shift key, it's optional. Once you are happy, click enter. There you go. Our album is ready. Next step, I'm going to add a little more colors to make it a little more vibrant. For that, create a layer, change the blending mode to screen. Now go to color picker, this one. I'm going to pick orange color. Click OK. Next, pick the brush tool. Select the soft round brush, this one. Reduce the size a little bit, and I'm going to give few random clicks to create attractive glow effect like so. There you go. This is before and after. Looks stunning, isn't it? Next step, I'm going to color grade the image. For that, I'm going to merge all our layers into a single layer. For that, hit Shift Ctrl Alt E. There you go. Now go to filter, select camera filter. Here's where we're going to color grade the image. Just play with the settings. Now I'm going to make the image a little more vibrant. For that, I'm going to increase the vibrance and saturation level a little bit. There you go. Next, I'm going to increase the sharpening and reduce the noise level. There you go. Next step, I'm going to increase the green and yellow saturation. Click the color mixer, select saturation. There, play with the yellow and green settings. There you go. Our image looks stunning, isn't it? Let's see the before and after. This one is the original image and this is color graded one. Looks stunning. Once you are happy with the output, click OK. There you go. Now our wedding album is ready. Now export the image as PNG or JPEG and get it printed. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.